dead. You plugged it in, you made sure everything was alright, but it's dead. Why is this happening in hotels? Let's uncover why charging your devices whilst travelling can be such a nightmare and how you can hack the system. A lot of hotels use these keycard sensors, and if the keycard's not in the slot, you don't get any power. Or some of the more sort of subtle ones are these. You have motion detectors in the room, and if you're not in the room for more than 10 minutes, it shuts off. So he thinks he's doing all right here, and then he gets back to his room, and oh dear, it's not been charged. This is the culprit. That 10 minutes just gave it enough to make the numbers change, so he didn't realise it hadn't been connected. The second problem is even more insidious than the first one. Heat can pause or slow charging. Temperature is a thing that may be a bit of a problem because you don't know when it's going to happen. If you've got a room, an apartment, and when you're out, the room gets hot. The battery's charged best between 10 to 30 degrees C or 50 to 86 Fahrenheit. Heat can pause or slow charging. Ideally, charge the battery overnight whilst you're in the room. That way, it won't overheat and you'll know what's going on. I hope this has been of some use to you. If you'd like to subscribe and like, that'd be good. And I'll see you another time. Bye-bye.